Skardu is located in the Gilgit-Baltistan region of northern Pakistan. It lies in the heart of the Karakoram mountain range, at an elevation of about 2,228 meters, 7,310 feet above sea level. Skardu serves as the gateway to some of the world's highest peaks, including K2, and is a popular base for trekking and mountaineering expeditions in the Karakoram and Himalayas. It's also famous for its breathtaking landscapes, crystal-clear lakes like Satpura and Shangrila, and valleys like Shigar and Khaplu. In this video, we'll take you through the top 10 most beautiful and must-visit places in Skardu. Make sure to stay till the end. We've also got 3 travel tips and a sample itinerary to help you plan your own dream trip to this paradise. Let's dive in. 1. Shangrila Resort, Lower Coutura Lake. Heaven on Earth. Often called Heaven on Earth, Shangrila Resort is one of the most iconic and luxurious spots in Skardu. Built around a serene lake and even featuring the remains of a crashed airplane, this resort offers unmatched views, peace, and premium hospitality. A perfect start to your Skardu journey. 2. Upper Coutura Lake. Mirror of the Mountains. A hidden gem just a short trek from Lower Coutura, Upper Coutura Lake is pure magic. With crystal clear water reflecting the surrounding snow-covered peaks, this lake is a dream for photographers and peace seekers alike. 3. Cold desert. Sand meets snow. The cold desert in Skardu is unlike anything else in the world. Think golden sand dunes, but with snow-capped mountains all around. You can enjoy jeep rides, camping, and stargazing here. It's surreal, bold, and unforgettable. 4. Khatpana Lake Serene Untouched. Tucked beside the cold desert, Khatpana Lake is calm and almost undiscovered. It's the perfect spot for a picnic, bird watching, or just sitting quietly and soaking in nature's beauty. 5. Sok Valley, the mini Switzerland of Pakistan. Sok Valley looks like a fairy tale. Surrounded by mountains, flowing streams, and green meadows, it's the ideal place for camping or a peaceful day out. You'll find locals grazing animals and children playing near the water. Visuals. 6. Blind Lake. The Secret Lake. Surrounded by mountains and cut off from roads, Blind Lake is a remote and mysterious beauty. The still water and quiet surroundings make it perfect for meditation, drone shots, and stunning photography. Visuals. Seven. Moka Waterfall. Nature's power on display. Located just outside Skardu, this 80-foot waterfall is pure energy. The sound of crashing water, the cool breeze, and the surrounding greenery make it a refreshing stop. There's even a troutfish restaurant nearby. 8. Marsur Rock, Pakistan's Troll Tunga. Marsur Rock is a jaw-dropping cliff that juts out over a deep valley, resembling Norway's famous Troll Tunga. It's a bit of a hike to reach, but the photos and the adrenaline rush? Absolutely worth it. 9. Khaplu Fort history. With a view. Built in the 16th century, this ancient fort offers panoramic views of Skardu City, the Indus River, and the surrounding mountains. It's a place where history meets natural beauty. Deosai National Park. The roof of the world. At over 13,000 feet above sea level, Deosai is the second highest plateau in the world. During summer, it transforms into a vibrant land full of wildflowers, wildlife, and endless grasslands. Don't miss Marsur Lake and the chance to spot Himalayan brown bears. 11. Basho Valley, hidden wilderness. Basho Valley is a dream for nature lovers and adventure seekers. With thick pine forests, green meadows, and icy rivers, it feels untouched by time. Ideal for camping, trekking, and off-road exploration, Basho is where you reconnect with raw nature. Thors Meadows, heaven on earth. Tucked deep within the Skardu region, Thors Meadows offers panoramic views of majestic mountains and endless greenery. Whether you hike or ride horses to reach it, the journey is thrilling and the destination is breathtaking. Locals can be seen grazing goats and cattle while tourists relax beside gentle streams. Skardu isn't just a place, it's a feeling. From the roar of waterfalls to the silence of meadows, from ancient forts to wild valleys, this region is a living postcard of Pakistan's natural beauty. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more incredible journeys. Which place would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.